What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Roy. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual. We are on the way to Atlanta, Georgia from Greenville, South Carolina to attend Caffeine and Octane for their big 4th of July show. So if you like watching cars, stay tuned. It's going to be a good one.
What's up, guys? Here we are, Caffeine and Octane, Atlanta, Georgia, July 4th. Happy birthday, America. Let's do this. This thing is very nice. We found the twin, brand new. This is the new IS. I think this is the first one I've seen. Maybe those are airbags. He can lift it as soon as he gets in the car. It goes back up. So we've got the FRS BR0 here, and that blue one there, man. This blue one here. Here. This thing's pretty badass. Look at this. There you go, E. Jimenez. One of your cars? Yeah. Nice. Appreciate it. right here.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I apologize for my camera skills. I know they were not the best. Hopefully you enjoyed the cars. Go follow all those Instagrams that I just linked. Those are great cars. It was only a fraction of all the great cars that were there, but that's all I got footage of. Stick around for next week's video. Here's a little preview. Those are being installed sometime this week. Video should be up Sunday. And lastly, I need a favor from you guys. I want to drop this car. I feel like it sits way too high. So if you know anybody that sells a lowering springs, coilovers, or anything like that for the 11th generation 2022 Honda Civic, please put me in touch with them. I will buy them right now. I can't stand the right height of this car. But with that being said, catch you guys next video. Thank you.